¿Qué pasa contigo?
What's up, people? It's your girl Gracie, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to stone a dress. If you don't know what that is, it's something like this or this or this here. So before we get to this video, make sure you like, share and subscribe, and if you have any questions or any suggestions, leave them in the comment section. With that being said, let's get right into this video. Okay, so there are some few things you need to be able to stone a dress, and there are not many, they are just very few. And you need a pressing iron. You need a pressing iron. You need a white handkerchief, but I don't have a white handkerchief, so I'm just going to be using this. Make sure you use a white handkerchief. If you can get a white handkerchief, make sure you get it, because this red can wash onto the cloth, and I'm not sure you want that. Next thing you need is a bowl of water. You need a bowl of water, and then you're going to need the cloth that you're going to stone. I'm going to be stoning this jacket. So with that being said, now I'm going to show you guys how to actually stone the material. So first thing you want to do, you want to set up your material like this, and then plug in your iron, and then figure out how you want to stone the dress. So you can put the way I'm going to be doing this one, I'm just going to be stoning the black spots in this place, this black spot. So I'm just going to put my stones. I'm using this tiny stone, so I'm just going to put them in all the places I want to stone them inside the black spots. That's what I'm just going to do. I'm just going to arrange them here. Okay, so I just finished placing. You have to do it section by section, because you can't do all at once, because you just can't. So your iron is not meant to be too hot, but it has to be hot too. So now you're going to fold your handkerchief. Just fold it a little. You're going to fold it up. This handkerchief is really big, so I'm just going to fold it like twice. This is taking so much time. Just going to fold it up, not too thick. If you're using a handkerchief, it's going to be way smaller than this. So I'm just going to fold it up and then place it over the place that you placed your stone. So I'm just going to make sure you know where you placed it, so that you won't go and iron the wrong place. So I'm just going to place it over this place. I'm just going to place it over this place. Then when you place it, you're going to take your bowl of water and sprinkle some water on it. Make sure the water sinks in very well. Just pour some water on it. Make it damp. And then you're going to place your iron. And then you're going to place your iron on it. Like this. Make sure you press it down very well so it won't hold. Put it on all the places you stoned, like this. press it down very well. Don't do this directly on the clothes, just press it down until you feel it's stuck to it. And then when you take it off, you can see that they are stuck to it already. Can you see it? Like they can't remove. So that's what we're just going to keep doing until we are done with the entire dress. So I am done with the first part, the first side of the material. That is this piece. So I'm just going to move to this side and do it and show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, this is it so far. So I'm just going to do it and show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, so I finished the second upper part and this is what it's looking like. It's wet, so I can't put it on. Well, it's looking like this. So that's where I'm going to stop today. I don't know, I'll probably stone this downside too. But if I do that, I'm going to show you guys what it looked like. But for now, this is where I'm going to stop.
What we do here is go back.
So yeah, that's okay guys, so this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and if you have any comments, any suggestions, make sure you leave them in the comment section down below. With that being said, see you guys next time.